Is coffee ready?
Yeah, the coffee is ready. First of all, you just find out where our daughter is. It's already 8 o'clock and still she's not come. And the moment she comes, she just hurries off without having a single morsel. And if I ask her to wake up early, she never listens to me at all. Her life will be good once she listens to me first. There's no point in telling anything. It's all your fault. It's become her routine now.
She doesn't listen anything. Look, she has come.
Mommy, keep my dress outside. It's already kept on the bed now. Here, have your coffee.
Have you finished your dialogues? We'll listen to the rest by evening. Bye, Mummy. Bye. Bye, Dad.
Bye, sweetheart.
Oh, shit. Daddy? Daddy! Shit. Daddy!
What happened?
Puncture.
Oh no. Just wait.
Huh? What's this? I thought Shweta was gonna call me up, but her father's calling me.
Buddy, see what is he doing? Being a family friend, should he behave like this, buddy? Is this fair?
Yeah, buddy. Uncle always offers us coffee, tea or snacks whenever we go to his house. How can I betray him? Hey, be careful, that's the door.
Oh. Stop, fool!
Don't waste your time here with romancing this guy. Hey, Rahul, somebody will see. Just come soon.
Look at him, he's dreaming here.
Oh, did Uncle get to know about everything? Hello? Uncle, good morning. I wanted to call you up and tell you about everything.
What?
Good morning.
What nonsense?
Sweta?
Yeah, Shweta. It's an emergency. Come home at once.
Why?
You have to drop me in my office.
What about your scooty?
Oh, it's puncture.
Rahul, I think your plan worked out.
Rahul, come and have breakfast.
Breakfast? I'll come later, Uncle. Breakfast?
At least one coffee, man.
Hey, you have no other work? She's already late now. You go, my dear.
Thanks, Auntie. Bye.
Bye.
Shit. What's this? I'll try again.
Why are you doing this? Huh? Take care.
This is really bad.
How was it?
What, Sweta?
My strike.
Oh, that was nothing.
If you do this again, that's it. Bye.
Shit.
So sad of him.
Hey, keep quiet. He's already well tensed. Don't irritate him.
But hey, when you're proposing to a girl, you have to plan very well. Otherwise, it will happen like this. That's the matter.
Hey, that's not the matter. But hey, when you're proposing to a girl, you have to plan very well. Otherwise, it will happen like this.
Stop irritating him. You're getting on his nerves. It's none of your business.
Hey, don't make fun of me. I'll make Sweta fall for me. You know something? I have a lot of ideas. Sweta will fall for me very soon. Wait and watch. I'm gonna get married with her very soon. If I don't, I'll change my name. Wait and watch. It's a challenge. Bye.
Where are you off to?
That scooter's tire is punctured, right? He will go there and push it.
push it, 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 push it.
Hello, good morning, Global Ads. Sir, no sir, listen to me. Sir, that...
Appointing young girls like you is a very wrong decision. You will also not work. And you will not allow guys to work also. Is that called a pickup or drop?
No sir, that is...
Is he an old driver? Tell him to drive properly, not you but the car.
Sir!
I was just joking. Hello? I'm Mahesh Babu speaking. Yes? Huh? Who? Yeah, okay. Were you talking to this guy? You could have told me before.
Sir, phone, sir.
Today my quota's over. MD is free there. You can connect the call to him. Please leave me.
Sir.
Hello.
Global Ads Manager, the great Mahesh Babu speaking.
Come inside.
Sorry, sir. I'm just coming, sir. Today I don't know what I'm going to get from him. Even if the world has peace, I will not have because of this MD. Excuse me, sir. Thank God, nobody's seen that.
What, sir? When you went in like a gentleman and coming out like an office boy? What is the matter?
Hey, MD's wife is out of town, so he called me and he was romancing with me. If you're free, you can go inside.
Look at your face.
What do you think? You think you're beautiful? Go and see your face in the mirror. It is really unbearable. Get lost. I don't know where I've kept the file. This man is asking this. I got it. I don't know if this is the one. Sir, I'm coming, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Why is he staring like this? Sir, for you, sir. Good morning, sir.
Who did the designing?
Mr. Karthik, sir.
Give it for publicity.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir. I know that you are a very generous person, sir. You proved it, sir.
That's for Karthik.
I thought it was for me. I know that you are a very stingy fellow. You have proved it again.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
Congratulations.
What's wrong with him?
Oh, like that, is it? Yeah, look at her. Oh no!
Why are you all laughing?
Look, the model is here.
Who's the model here? Me?
Who else? It's you.
Am I?
Yeah, you. When did you learn to act?
Acting?
I mean, modeling.
Modeling? You're blabbering.
My God, acting as though you don't know anything? Please look at this.
I'm not aware of
Don't
this.
know anything, is it?
I'm telling you, no, I don't know anything. Tell me, Rahul.
Sweta, where are you?
In office.
Please come, I need to see you.
Where?
Hey, look at this. The same girl who came in the ad. Yeah, we can try to.
Who put this hoarding here?
Global Ads, number 44, College Road, Nongambakam, Chennai 34.
Good morning, madam. This hoarding is really good, madam. I was searching for you. Actually, I'm coming from Kingfisher Water Company. My name is Sadananda Babu. You have to act in our company's advertisement, madam. Please, have my card.
Get lost, I'll kill you. Hey Sweta, don't worry. I'll take care of everything. Hey Sweta, listen to me. Where are you going? I'm talking to you.
Leave me, Rahul. I'm going. Leave me.
I'll talk to my uncle. We'll put a case on them. We'll shut that company.
Before all that, we must find out who that person is.
Please don't get worried, Sweta. I'm there for you. Don't worry, I'll take care of everything, okay?
Without my knowledge, they have used my photograph and I feel ashamed. I must know who that person is.
I've got the details about the company. Let's go.
Tell me, sir. Oh, the girl is beautiful. She's very well known to us, sir. You need not worry at all. Yeah, we can put an agreement. Yes. We can use her very well, sir. Okay. Hey, hi, welcome. I was expecting you. We were just talking about you. There is a surprise for you. You know, next month, Nightingale Nighties. We are planning to take an ad. There is an important message for you. That company's MD, he wants you to act in that. He's very adamant about that. He just spoke about it. In that ad, there is something special too. In heart of the city, 60-40 size, in a digital banner, you will be posing in a Nightingale Nightie. We will take that photo. Whoever goes that side should daydream about you. Yeah, that's sure. During the coming days, I think I'll become your personal manager, you know. And I'm going to earn a lot of money. I'm really happy. I think my good time has started now. I don't know what I'm doing out of happiness. Please put your signature in this. This agreement is going to change your life. Yeah. What happened? Do you have any payment balance? Why don't you tell me?
How dare you use her photo without her permission? You should have taken her consent.
What? They have not got her permission? Oh my god. That designer gave me a wrong information. He told that he got your permission so the photo can be put in this ad. That's why we have done it.
We're gonna put a case on your company and shut it down.
Madam, please. Convince her. I am no way responsible for this. You tell me what should I do now. I'll do it immediately.
Okay, I must talk to that person first. After that, you remove all those ads.
Thank God. You told it before doing the Nightingale ad, or else it would have been a problem. I'll remove it immediately.
The subscriber you are calling is switched off.
The mobile is switched off, madam. It is switched off.
Where he will be now?
I don't know about that. He's a spendthrift. He's got 25,000 rupees in his hand. He'll be enjoying now his life with that amount.
Who is he? I think he has been following us for some time. Let's go have a chat with him. What happened to him? It's been 10 minutes that the song is over and he's still groovy. Hello. Enough worry, stop it. Okay, who are you? I've been watching you for some time. You've been following us since then. What's the matter?
Good morning, sir. I'm Mukund, son of Mahalakshmi. When I see your dance movements, I think you're from film industry.
And so?
I thought I could show my talent to you so that I can get a chance from the film industry from you.
Oh, film industry, huh? Hey, why are you guys laughing? Sir, please come. Sir, have you acted in any films before?
Of course, I've acted, sir. One day, Johar had come to a native place to take shoot, sir, and I've acted in that.
Who? Johar Mahmood?
No, Mr. Karan Johar.
Oh. It's not about giving you a chance. It'll be quite expensive.
How much, sir?
I'll tell you that later. But before that...
Have it, sir.
That's great.
This is for you, sir. This is for me.
There we go.
That's for me, sir.
Do you want a chance or beer?
I want the chance. Chance. Definitely, I want the chance.
That's it.
Shit. He's disturbing me even in my sleep. I should not leave him.
Hello.
It's me, Shweta.
Sweta? Who's Sweta?
It's only me. Have you forgotten me? I did the modeling in your hair oil. I have become very famous because of you, you know. I called up only to thank you. At the same time,
At the same time?
I had to disturb you at this part of night. I'm very sorry. I couldn't sleep without thanking you, you know. You're such a famous designer and I'm very lucky. I'm very happy also.
Okay. I don't like praises. Hi, Sweta. Good night. Sweet dreams. Mwah.
The subscriber you are calling is switched off. Currently, please try after some time.
Wow, finally I've got little to drink. This is enough, definitely for the time being. I've lost this too.
I think we got very high last night with our colleagues.
Huh?
What's this, yeah?
What's this? The tea shop is really crowded, guys.
Buddy.
Now I'll show my performance. These people are really torturing me.
Huh? Hey, you and your bloody tea shop. I won't come here again. Shit.
Buddy, hold on, I will leave.
Awesome, buddy, awesome.
You made both of them get out. Incorrigible. Oh God, these people are really torturing me. You should teach them a lesson. Yeah, he knows. First of all, get some coffee with little sugar extra and few muffins as well. Quick, get lost. What? Then? You already have to give so much money. Moreover, you are shooing away all the customers who are coming to my shop. Then how will I be able to do my business? Come on, tell me. Oh, is he such a big wig? Investing so much of money and doing the business. At least we are drinking your shop tea and we are keeping only 1,000 under debt. Many are dying after drinking your car shop tea. You know that? What? Just bring the tea now.
It's my
let me
turn.
play. Dude, I told you about a love story, right? Come on, play, man. It's him. He doesn't have the guts to propose his love first. Only you should help him to express his love.
Boss, you're at the right place at the right time. What do you say, guys?
Yes, buddy. You're right. Oh God, this poor fella has been trapped now. Don't know how much they're going to swindle. Will they leave it as such?
Boss, I don't care about the expenses. She has to fall in love with me. What? He doesn't mind the expenses?
Oh, the bait is trapped. Will they leave him like that? Don't know what's going to happen to this fellow.
Uncle, I know very well what you're thinking. In his account, get 4 teas, 4 croissants and 4 cigarettes. And that whole balance. Bring that too. Don't worry, buddy. All that'll take is 1 letter for that Juliet to fall for this Romeo.
Hey, pass this man.
Have it, buddy.
Have it. Your job is done. Get lost. Haha. Let me add something in it.
Boss, why don't you note whatever I say on the paper?
Great hunt of the day.
He's too fast, isn't it?
You're right, buddy.
Why don't you start writing? I may not be your first love, your first kiss. Just wait, there's more to it. Your first sight or your first date, my sweetheart.
Wow.
Okay. This is important, note it down properly. But I just want to be your last everything. I can't live without you, my love.
Is that the poem? Shit. Campus smell. Donkey nose.
I think he had been drinking all night. If I call him, he rejects it.
Oh, so he's a drunkard.
You're really made for each other. Superb.
How is the photo? No. I think your mind was different.
No, sir, not at all. I was about to come and see you, sir.
For what?
I want to pay the monthly rent. House owner had asked me, sir.
How much?
Just 5,000, sir.
Tell him no.
I've already told him, sir. I very well know about your generous heart, sir.
Clean the photo very well.
Sure, sir. I will do it. I will clean. Not only cleaning, I will do water wash, sir.
She's come looking for me, is it?
Madam, why did you come again?
You. Didn't I ask you to remove those hoardings?
We have removed it immediately, madam. What else we should do now?
No, I just saw on a bus and in the signal.
Oh, you mean that one? That is point-to-point bus, madam. That bus will not stop. Our staff is inside that bus. Once the bus stops, they will remove it, madam.
Where is that fraud? Will he come now?
I don't know when he'll come, madam. I just know when he leaves from here.
Make a call to him.
Hello, Karthik, where are you?
Hello. Dial his number.
Oh, I forgot, madam.
Switch the speaker on.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Hey, Karthik, where are you now?
I'm at the airport, sir. What's the matter?
For what purpose?
I'm going to Mumbai. One of the clients is really impressed with Sweta hair oil that they want me to come to Mumbai and place a bigger hoarding in Juhu Beach. The price point is really nice. I'm on my way. Sir, if you hadn't given me this idea, I don't know where would I be. You're my god, sir.
It's okay. You can cut the phone. Actually, he was just joking. He was trying to play with me. How can he go to Mumbai now? Just ask me why. Ask me why. Okay, I will tell you. He doesn't have a passport to go.
So you are the reason behind all this?
Why are you trying to blackmail me?
Hey! How dare you shout at her? Do you know who I am, mister?
Seriously, I don't know, sir. Madam, please tell him, madam. He's threatening me, madam. You tell me what should I do, madam.
Okay, give me his address.
My address?
Hey, what are you thinking?
Address? Number 6. Vivekananda Street. Malik Raj Nagar. First sector.
Okay, if he comes, call this number.
Definitely.
No. If he comes, call on this number.
Madam, the address that he gave is the wrong one. This is Karthik's actual address, madam.
Thanks.
Madam.
Oh.
Thank you so much, madam.
What, madam? Have you not left?
Hey, do you know who I am?
Oh my god, this man has started again.
She's not great looking. This guy looks like a loafer. This is not fresh.
Hey, get lost. Look at his face.
I'm not smelling of smoke. Look what I do now. Hey, mister! What are you doing?
This one, cigarette.
I know that's a cigarette.
Oh, so you know. So why do you ask?
You're educated, right?
No, I'm an illiterate.
I'll deal with this. You don't know about me, I'm a bad man. Don't you know that you're not supposed to smoke in public places? Don't you have any brains?
Oh, sorry, boss.
Did you see that? Hey, mister! You can't say sorry and get away. The government spends so much of money to create awareness. You shouldn't be smoking in public. This is really wrong. When you smoke, you enjoy it, but the people around get affected. Passive smoking leads to cancer. Only youngsters like me know about the hazards of smoking.
Sorry, boss. I won't do that again.
Don't you dare smoke in public again. You should be shameful. How was that?
Oh, he just made a fool out of me.
We have his address now. We should not leave him.
I'm sure he's a rogue.
Hi.
Hi. Sweta, you go to the office. I'll go find the address.
Sure, bye.
Bye.
Let that Karthik come and fall in my eyes. I'll see him. Maybe only this guy is that Karthik. Let me dial his phone. If that rings, I'll catch him.
Hello?
Hello? Karthik sir? Where are you now?
I just missed a flight, so I'm at the bus stop next to my office.
What? Where? May I know the color of your dress?
Oh, me.
Madam, how long do I wait here? Please come fast.
You're finished now. I'm the only one who's standing at the bus stop with a guitar and who looks plenty sweet. That's me.
Ah, okay. I'll come now. Gonna kill you today. Were you the one spoke to me on phone? Oh.
Did you see that? So many beautiful girls like me. They're crazy about me. I'm the most handsome guy around.
You know how many times I lost my shit?
Why are you hitting me? Please, please
I'll
stop.
kill you today.
Stop.
Don't
Please.
run away.
Don't hit me. Please.
I'll kill you today. You idiot.
Don't hit me.
What a job you did. How can you touch my photo?
Why are you hitting me? Why are you hitting me?
Stop, will you? How can you hit your husband in the middle of the road like this? This is not your house.
You think he's my husband? Are you mad?
Who's this girl? Why is she hitting me? I don't even know her.
How dare you say that she's not your wife? You think we don't know that?
Hello, mister. What the hell you have in your mind? Why do you call him as my husband? Who are you first?
Who am I? I'm the new generation. You can find this video on TV tonight at 7 p.m.
Oh my god. Maybe I hit the wrong person.
Hello, madam. Where are you? A girl over here is hitting me in front of everybody. Please come fast and save me, madam.
Please try after some time.
How dare you raise your hand on a man? Isn't there anybody to ask her? Nobody came and saved me.
Poor fella, come on guys. Somebody call the police. Don't you feel it? Let's help him.
Oh my god, I'm in trouble.
Sir.
Sir? A rogue cheated me, sir. He lied to me. That's why it happened like this. Only you can save me now. Please, sir.
Okay. You being a girl and asking me for help, I'm obliged. Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
What's happening here?
Super, sir. Cut. Sir, you've cracked it. Extraordinary, madam. What a performance, madam. All of this has been recorded over there. Say hi.
All this for a prank. I can't believe this.
Okay, guys. The show is over. Why don't you guys leave? Mind your own business. Come on, move on. Come on.
In which channel will they telecast this?
What TV have you at home?
Samsung TV.
It'll be telecasted in that too.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hello, just 1 minute. I have some doubt about you. Just show your ID card.
Sir, that...
Hello. If I ever see you in this area, I'll kill you definitely. I really mean it. Get out of here. Sorry.
It's okay.
Good day, sir.
Oh, you? Seeing you after a long time? Spend your money whatever you had. You should have come sometime before. You would have got nicely.
What happened?
Actually, I was bowling to you and you hit a sixer. The cricket ball went very high.
Did he miss the catch?
I will give you one now. What do you think? Without asking that girl's permission, you have told me to put that girl's photo in the ad. She came with a loafer to our office and started threatening me. If she files a case tomorrow, then what will we do?
That's what I'm asking. What shall we do?
Why are you asking me what
You
will
only
do?
told me that's an urgent matter and the MD is putting pressure and you want a model fast. That's why I gave you.
Why are you shouting?
You only told me the MD is putting pressure and it's an urgent matter and you want a model
Maintain
fast.
this voice. MD will be hearing. He's
Whatever.
always interested in seeing his photo alone. Then how will he hear this?
Let all be there. If you ever think of getting me trapped with that girl beside you...
I'm also thinking about that. Leave the place immediately.
Take care of your money.
I know about that.
I'll see you soon.
Don't come.
It's enough. I'm really tired.
Let's sit down for a while. How come there's no one on the beach today?
Maybe people would have heard that some tsunami is coming in the sea.
Dude, there you go. Your angel comes.
I knew she would come looking for me. Nowadays, she cannot be without spending time with me. She's crazy about me, buddy.
You're smart, buddy. You have done what you have said.
Hi, Rahul.
Hi, Sweta. What are you doing over here?
Actually, I came here only to meet you.
What happened, Sweta?
Do you remember that Karthik?
Who? That drunkard?
He did not go to Mumbai at all. He was there only. I made a call to him as soon as you left. I had a doubt on him. He put me in such a complicated situation.
Why did you call him up, Sweta? I told you I'd take care of everything. Give me his number.
98499
She's by-hearted his number.
Huh? Hello?
Hello, Mr. Karthik.
Yes?
I'm calling from ICSI Bank regarding your address verification. Okay, thank you, sir.
What did he say, Rahul?
He said he's in an important meeting and he'll call me up later on. You leave, I'll take care of him.
Okay, bye. But you should not leave him.
To make her fall for me, what not I have to go through in life. Shit.
What was your best friend telling, buddy?
He said that he's in a meeting.
Okay, that was when you told her. But I was watching your body language. Your eyes were literally trembling.
Where's Dinesh? She's overdoing it.
Yes, buddy, she's trying to act too smart. I was just joking.
I really don't know how to make her fall for me.
I've got a very good plan to trap her, you know that?
What's your plan? Tell me.
It's simple, man. This time when you go along with her, just try something romantic and bit poetic.
Okay.
She'll fall for you and your problem is solved.
Stupid joke.
Hey, easy guys. He's already tension. You're making fun of him. Don't you worry, buddy. When there's no Sweta, there's Sapna.
You're right, buddy. You call yourself my friend?
Buddy, hope you're going tomorrow.
Yes, we're going tomorrow and...
Sorry.
Hey, who's she?
That's Sapna. looking for a number?
Yes, if I call my number from her number, I'll get to know her number, buddy.
What an idea, buddy.
What big idea? Has he invented that?
The cell is password protected.
You want my number?
We'll ask about him in this t-shirt.
Excuse me?
Yeah?
Can you tell me where is Karthik's house?
Karthik? Whoa! You mean that Karthik? He'd love to be a very rich person. 1 second. Listen to me. That useless fellow is sharing his room with another useless fellow. Don't think he is coming from a rich family and start flirting with him. Listen, he has to give me a debt of 1,100. Such a beggar he is. Mind this, if you roam along with him, he will leave you nowhere. I tell you. Huh? She seems to be from a very decent family. Even these pants must have been torn by him. Didn't you want something from you, my dear girl?
He spoiled her name completely.
Rahul.
Then it must be a big matter. That's not my headache. Can you see the house over there? That is the one. Hurry up, or he will go.
Come, let's go.
Yes, today is his final day. He'll be behind bars.
Knock on the door.
It's you?
Hey, no, it's not me.
Hey, why he is here?
I have given the wrong address, but still they have come to this place. This time I think I'll get caught. No. I should be brave enough to talk and tackle this.
Hey, why did you shut the door? Don't you have brains?
Hey, why are you asking don't I have any brains? Don't try to play the fool with me, okay? This is not the office you come. It is my area. So you both better behave yourself with me. Otherwise, you'll have to see my power.
Hey,
yeah?
mister, you know who I am?
I know, her boyfriend.
I don't need to talk to you. When I asked for his address, why did you give your address?
I think he's a useless guy. He's my friend, man. My roommate. Instead of staying with me, you think he will stay with this beautiful girl? Hey! Even I know to shout, man. You want to see that? Ladies and gentlemen, please come immediately. 2 people are trying to threaten me. Come on, quick. Come on. Hey, come on, you.
Please. No. When will Karthik come?
That's better. How can I tell when the bachelors will get back to their room, madam? They'll be going to park, theatre, beach with their own girlfriends and enjoying their life. You can do one thing. You can go and search there. Maybe you can get him there. Actually, I have a small doubt. Don't you have any other work than this? Searching that Karthik alone is your work? Please leave and do some better job.
Hey, do you know who I am?
Oh my god, he started. Very often you ask the same question to me. Please tell immediately. Who are you?
Sweta, come, let's go.
I'll keep you.
Me too?
Idiot.
My god, finally they're leaving.
You can't do anything to that Karthik? Huh?
Brother.
Yes? What do you want? Have you got him? Jail for sure? How many years?
Oh, come on, brother. He's not at home. I think he ran away.
Just leave it, man. How many days will he hide? He has to come back.
How much does he owe you?
It is 1,500.
Oh. Brother, I'll give you 1,500 rupees.
Thanks.
I need your help. Here's my visiting card. When he comes to your shop, give me a call immediately.
Thank you.
I'll come and take care of him. Bye-bye.
What is this? Is he bribing me for that information? Anyways, I'll be very happy if he doesn't come back to my shop. Yeah, you're right. To earn such a money, it is better for that person to hang himself to death. They'll go to hell only. Was he talking about me?
Hi, Shweta. Hey, why is your face so gloomy? Like the ship has got round?
You remember that Karthik, no? He doesn't attend my call at all. I don't know how to catch him.
In that case, can I call?
Great idea. You make a call to him. You talk friendly to him and ask him to come somewhere. After that, I'll take care.
Okay, fine. Call him.
Alright, give me your phone.
Take it.
Ring goes. You talk to him.
Give.
Hello?
Hello? Am I speaking to Mr. Karthik?
What is it about?
I have seen your hair oil ad. It was superb. I have an offer for a new company. Can you please come now?
Sorry, I can't come right now. I'm kinda tied up.
Sir. Please, just 5 minutes, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir.
Okay, what is the ad that you're talking about?
Johnson Baby Oil. The models are also confirmed. You can come and take the advance, sir.
Okay. Where do you want me to come?
Anywhere, sir. As you wish. Beach, mall, theatre, coffee day, Lovers Park, Juhu Beach.
Juhu Beach? Okay. I'll meet you tomorrow 6 o'clock at Children's Park. I'll call you from there.
Who was that?
I don't know, man. She was talking about some cosmetical items.
Maybe she's a hooker. What did she say?
Yes.
She wants to get some ad done for our company. She's got dates from Akshay and Salman. I think it's a big client, maybe.
What did you say? Is that Akshay and Salman? I can't believe it.
Sir, it's you. I just can't believe that. I was searching for you for a long time.
Hey, who are you?
You forgot me, I'm Mukund. What, sir?
Get up.
You said you'll give me an opportunity somehow and you left the place. I became tired after searching for you, sir. How many places I searched for you, sir?
Where all did you search for me?
Dombivli, Nariman Point, Thane, Navi Mumbai, Juhu Beach. I became tired after searching a lot of places and I was planning to leave back to my native place, sir. But I think I'm lucky that I've met you here, sir.
Hey, wait a minute. You said your name was Mukund?
Yes, that's my name, sir. I'm happy that you remember.
I don't remember. Better, get me an opener.
Sir?
Oh, so you are him. Hey, what a makeover. A trendy shirt, hair dye, and a couple of chains on you. What's all this? And who's this person beside you who's been nodding his head for some time?
I'm sorry, sir. Since I was having a conversation with you, I forgot.
Hello.
He's my PA, sir.
Huh?
He's going to take care of my shooting date, sir.
You've not started flying yet and you've got wings for yourself.
I'm really happy that you still remember me, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, you were talking about Akshay Salman project, sir. Can you include me in that project?
Oh, is that so? I'll try to. Okay. Huh? Oh, it's over, is it?
Buddy, just fill up this table completely.
Sir, please don't forget me, sir. You can note down my number, sir.
You'll come whenever I call you, is it?
Just think about me and I'll be there for you, sir.
Okay, give me a number.
900-35-15-690.
Sir, can you tell me the last number?
Why? Don't you have my number?
Sorry, sir.
Sir?
Sir, your
Autograph? Sure. Can I have a pen?
Hey, this is your bill.
Bill?
Buddy.
Huh?
I have a doubt about all this.
Why do you have a doubt?
I don't know if that hair oil girl is plotting it all.
Huh? Oh, come on, you're over-imagining things. I don't think she's behind this. She looks so beautiful. How can you doubt her?
Buddy, don't rush into things. Let's give it a shot.
How, buddy?
Sir, did you think about me now?
Oh, yeah. Who is he?
He's my toucher boy. What's the role for me, sir?
Let me tell you. See that girl in shorts? Jeans.
Yeah.
Go to her and tell her that I'm Karthik. Let's rehearse.
I'm Karthik.
Perfect.
Karthik. What's the next dialogue, sir?
First start with this dialogue and things will follow on.
Hey, wait. So where's the camera?
Don't ask too many questions or I'll replace you with somebody else.
Sir, even I'm a good actor. Please give me a chance.
Buddy, will you just shut up?
Sorry, sir. I should not open my mouth.
I'm also eager to act.
Sorry, sir.
Now I understand. The camera's inside the car. Am I right?
Yes.
Bless me, sir.
May God bless you.
I will talk to you later, buddy. I'm Karthik. Hi.
Hi.
I'm Karthik.
Shweta, come fast. I've caught him. Shweta, come fast.
Now you saw? Hey, what is the problem?
He's chasing us. sir?
What? Eve teasing? In my area, Eve teasing.
Stop it, I said. Why are you beating this poor little guy?
He called these two girls to his room, ma'am.
Huh? Hey, don't you have any sisters in your family?
I think everybody are acting like me. Yes, I do have sisters for me, but no wife.
In that case, you deserve this. He's a wife, I believe.
Sir, you told me to act, sir. But these guys are really beating me. Where are you, sir?
You want to talk? Give me.
Oh no, your makeup.
Shweta, he's calling. Hello?
I knew it. When you mentioned Juhu Beach, I doubted it. That it should have been her plan. What happened, darling? Are you so upset with me?
Let me see how long you cheat me like this, huh? Don't you have any shame?
That I don't have any sunshine. So you want to see me now?
Hey, some Bill Gates. How do I look to you?
For me, I want to come close to you. Take you to some place isolated, lock us inside a room, and whole night you have to abuse me. And I want to keep smiling for all that.
I'm scolding you so much you have no sense. What kind of a human?
Watching. Let's go.
I'm here. Can I take a picture of you?
Sure.
Oh, why is he calling me up now? Hey, Manisha! Shit! Hey, Manisha, please come on top. Come on, Manisha.
You come here, man.
Okay. Hey, what happened?
That fellow Karthik is here only.
Really?
If you call the police now, you'll catch them red-handed. Come fast.
I'll be right there. Hello? Sweta? That Karthik has come to the tea shop. Go there immediately. I'll be right there.
When will you come?
I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Huh? Where did she go?
Hey, she has come.
Ice cream! Ice cream! Ice cream!
What are you looking at? What are you looking at? There. Yeah. What is this? There.
Hey, bring it!
What is this?
No!
Who's that?
any idea how much shame that ad brought to me?
Sorry.
Hey, what do you mean sorry, mister? Huh? Don't you know how to behave with a girl? Huh?
Rahul, leave him. Rahul, please, listen to me.
Hey, if you
Hey,
try to act
Rahul,
smart
leave him.
again, I
Please
swear,
listen
I
to me.
swear I won't
Let's
leave
go.
you, okay? Don't you
Hey,
dare come in my
keep
way.
quiet.
Rascal.
Go.
The first time you tried, she didn't fall for you. Why are you trying again and again?
Hey, unlimited energy, buddy. Unlimited energy.
Hey, stop it, guys. When you guys are around him, how will he get
What do you
unlimited
mean?
energy?
Do you think we are uneducated or what?
Shut up. I'm gonna put that Karthik's photo in the paper tomorrow. How dare he?
Photo should come in paper?
You wanna finish him. That's it, right? Start the car.
Should I remove his hand, or his leg, or his complete life?
Whatever you do, make sure it looks like an accident.
Will you guys pay my fees and collect it back from me?
No. I'll give you the fees right now. Here.
Just think that the work is completely over. You can go now.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Let's go.
Useless guys. He became my friend a few days ago. You both are my childhood friends, but you never helped me. Good for nothing fellows.
Hey, catch him, guys. Come on, quick. Don't leave him. Run. Run fast. Don't leave him, guys. I want him somehow. Come on, quick. Hey,
You should not
stay
get
there.
away.
Hey, you better stay there. Get caught up. Hey, telling you stay there. Guys, come on, quick. Catch him. Hey, don't leave him. Hey, quick. Come on.
Catch him.
Hey, stay there. Don't run. Hey, I'm telling you, stay there. Hey.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
How will you go?
I'll take an auto. Wow, that's a good thing. You came on time.
Karthi told me to give the key to you. Sweta,
Tell me, Rahul.
I got rid of Karthik. He will never trouble you again.
It's really bad these useless guys have hit you like this.
What happened to Karthik?
You ask me, madam, I will tell you. Around 10 people came and hit Karthik and went away. I took him immediately in an auto rickshaw to the nearby hospital and got him admitted there. They took all the medical tests. You know what they told me? This guy will not survive at all, so you can take him back home. I did not have any other option, so I just went to the local medical shop and got medicine for him. But this guy is not having it all, madam. You please tell him to have it, no. Please try to convince him, madam. Karthik, have this medicine fast.
Open the bottle, buddy.
What a miracle! Just see, madam, what has happened. He just had one sip of medicine from me and now he's perfectly alright. Let me tell you, you're really a goddess, madam. I think I should pray to you.
So, is this all a drama?
I don't know that.
No. Easy. Oh my God, easy.
When these girls get advanced model, they'll just leave away the old model.
Why should we cry over spilt milk, guys? What happened is happened. Why don't you try your charm on Manisha then?
You're right. I think Manisha is much better than Sweta.
Yeah, in exposing too.
Hey, shut up, guys. Let's go to the beach restaurant first and make sure you don't do anything stupid and convey your love to her.
Thanks, buddy. You're my best friend. These two useless guys.
Okay, bro. Good luck.
Best of luck.
Thanks, guys.
Hi, dear.
Hi, baby.
Huh?
Hey, Dinesh.
Hey!
Manisha, is Karthik your lover?
That's none of your business.
Then why the hell did you give me your phone number? Why did you flirt with me?
Just for fun. I was just using you for your money.
What?
Yes. Just who do you think Karthik is? He's my lover. But Karthik is just flirting around that stupid girl Shweta. And on that day, it was me who bumped onto Shweta's scooty.
Then why did you become close to me?
Oh, my poor baby. You and Shweta are best friends, right? I thought you will be useful to separate those lover birds, Karthik and Shweta. But you were not even fit for that. So, just go and tell Shweta, next time, if I see her moving around with Karthik, it will not be just Scooty. I will take her whole life then. Mind it.
Shit! Why is the mobile shut? Huh?
Shweta, can I ask you something? But don't get me wrong after I ask you this.
Okay, ask me.
You must not reject and walk away from here.
You don't beat around the bush. Tell me what's the matter.
Actually, I don't know how to say this.
Just in plain English, I'll understand.
But you should not get me wrong.
My God, will you tell?
Okay. Look over there.
Okay. What are those couples doing?
They're trying to check their dental health.
Oh, I see. That's alright. What's your matter?
In this environment, what would a guy say to a girl? Just try to understand, Shweta.
Oh, you mean that? You want money to pay room rent. You wanted me to ask only that, right? Don't you worry. I'll make it ready tomorrow.
I knew that you didn't have romantic sense, but I didn't know that you don't have common sense as well.
What did you say?
Let me tell you straight away. What you saw over there, I too want to do that with you.
Oh, this is what you're planning for?
Thank God. I was so worried about how you would react to this, you know.
Why should I get tensed? If you kiss that girl, only her boyfriend should get tensed.
Oh, you got a step further.
It's hurting. I'm sitting right near you. Why would you look at that girl, huh?
Stop it. What do you think? What will I do with you? Did you see over there? They're not even taking a breather for a second. And then there's you.
Probably they are husband and wife. Why are you looking there?
No, nothing.
Actually, that girl is not doing anything.
So you're okay with it, are you?
Oh yeah.
Hello, Shweta. I need to tell you something important. You know something? Karthik is not a nice guy. He's messing around with you. He's simultaneously dating another girl called Manisha. He's flirting with you both at the same time. Be careful. Okay, Shweta, where are you now?
At the park. I'm not Shweta, I'm Karthik.
Hello, Rahul?
Shweta?
Rahul, actually, I myself was thinking of calling you. You called.
For what?
By tomorrow, I'm going to introduce you all a very important person. In that occasion, it's treat for you all, okay? Rahul, let me call you after some time. Bye.
Shweta? Hey! Shit!
Hey, why would you disturb me while I was talking?
Hey, who is that VIP man?
Shweta's coming, right? We'll ask her. Buddy, he's showing off himself.
I don't know what for.
Hi, Rahul.
Hi.
That important person I was telling, it's him. You're already familiar with Karthik.
Yes, we are in love. Sweta, 1 minute.
I think I should tell everything to Sweta right now.
Yes, buddy, it's the right time. Carry on.
Huh? Sweta, I need to tell you something important.
What is it?
Karthik is flirting with you and also Manisha. He's fooling you, Sweta.
I know.
You already know?
I know.
She's saying.
Hi, baby.
Hey, come on, dear.
Karthik is not in love with Manisha. Only Manisha is in love with him. Karthik never hides anything from me. He says everything. He wants Manisha to know about us.
But Sweta...
Manisha, meet Sweta.
Hi, Shweta. Congrats.
Thank you.
Rahul, a very important person in my life.
Nice to meet you.
Karthik, I have a good news.
What is it?
Actually, my parents, they are very eager to meet you.
Okay.
Inviting us to the party? What are you both doing over there? Where's the party?
Oh, sure.
Yes, my dear son. My daughter told me everything about you and your family.
Yes, Karthik. My son is in UK. I'll just talk to him and we'll decide later.
Okay, uncle.
Hi, Daddy. Has Karthik reached there?
Yeah, he is here. Talk to him.
Hi.
Hi.
I like my sister very much, and her selection will always be very good because she always selects the best. I'm sure about that. So, without even seeing you, I'm telling you, you're the better half for her. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Give the phone to Dad.
Okay, when are you coming?
It's difficult to get leave for me, Dad.
We like him very much.
Okay, auntie. I'll take your leave. Please convey my regards to uncle.
Sure, I'll do that. Convey my regards to your mom and we will let you know the date for the engagement.
Okay, auntie. I'll see you. What next?
Thank you.
Where the hell is this guy? Shit.
Hi, darling.
Why are you late?
I'm sorry I got delayed. Shall we go?
Why are you hitting
You're
him?
two-timing Sweta and Manisha? And now you're dancing with her here? I'm gonna kill you!
Hey, Rahul! Leave me! Leave me! Leave him, Rahul! Why are you hitting him?
I'm sorry.
Hey, why are you getting so tensed often nowadays? Sweta's brother Rajesh is your best friend, right? Your father only got him a visa and sent him to London, right? Tell him your story and he might be able to help you out.
Hello?
Hello, Rahul.
Tell me, Dinesh.
Karthik is with Manisha at the beach restaurant now.
I'll go there in 10 minutes. Right now, he's with Manisha.
He's over there.
He told me that he's with Manisha.
Hey, brother, what a surprise.
I just want to give you a surprise, dear.
Okay, this is Karthik.
Hi Rajesh, I'm Karthik.
Shweta, you join with Rahul. I want to speak to him.
Bye, Karthik.
Bye. Huh, so buddy, when did you come? You didn't even tell me? So I've got our brand. Now this one will suit me. Okay. Cigarette? Do you smoke? Hey, sit down, buddy. I won't feel bad. Sit down.
Look here, Karthik. I just believed what Shweta had told about you and agreed for the marriage. But now I came to know about your true colors. I'm warning you. Just leave her.
Okay, Rajesh. From what you say, I can understand your love for your sister. For this, you rushed here all the way from London. I feel so sorry about you. At the same time, I've been flirting with your sister all over the city. And the economic investment I have on your sister, I don't know what to do about it.
How much do you require as compensation?
You want to compensate me, is it? Nah, I don't want all that.
Alright, then what do you want?
Do one thing. Send your sister to me for just one night. I kinda exploit her a bit and then send her home.
You son of a bitch! How do you...
Out! Out! Out!
Hey!
Hey!
What is happening?
Oh my god!
Karthik, what are you trying to do? Karthik, do you think that we brought him back from London just because to kill him like this?
Manisha, you too.
Everybody has a story. Let's see what his story is like.
Wow, what a big fish. Beautiful.
What is wrong with her? I'm on the way now. We'll call you after the interview. This building? Should I work in this old building or what? Nonsense. I will work only at a place which I'm comfortable. Hey, come on, dear. Hey, don't run. Hey, just wait. Hey.
I'm gonna fall, Rajesh.
I'm holding you, dear.
Oh no, leave me.
Yesterday, I watched a romantic movie. After seeing that...
So you started again? No, I'm not going to talk to you.
Don't say that, dear.
Never. You two don't talk to me.
Okay.
What is this?
I'm just checking my mail.
From whom?
I've got a mail from my uncle. Hey.
This is not the time for all this. Something else.
What else?
Why are we sitting here?
Are you okay with me? Just come, dear. Let's have fun.
Leave me. You have only those things in your mind. Don't you have anything else apart from this?
Hey, come on, sweetheart.
Leave me.
You're very much worried about my job.
Yeah, then how long to wait? You have a rule that you need to own a building wherever you get a job.
There is a reason behind all these things. You know about that.
I know, it is your London dream. London only you've got to go and work, is it? India also you can work. Unnecessarily, why you want to waste time?
In this country, guys doesn't have freedom because of girls.
Okay, why do you want to work in London?
It's because Britishers have used our money for about 20 years. So we have to use their money for 2 years. The fire is coming down. Let's heat it.
Come, Rajesh. Come fast. Look there.
Wow, this building is really good. Good selection. What's your rate?
Work at call center. 18,000 salary. Please send your resume.
Sure, just for you, dear.
Thanks.
I know the reason behind this call, but before you start talking, listen what I've got to tell you.
What is your psychology? Did you send the resume or not?
I haven't sent the resume. Sri, note this point. I don't require anybody's help to get a job for me. I'm not in that position too. You got it?
Wait, now what are you coming to say? So there will be an objection in our relationship too, is it?
In that case, you can tell me what to do now.
I have nothing to say. Bye.
Sir, courier.
Thanks, brother.
Thanks, sir.
Hello. Sri, where are you now?
I've come to a temple, Rajesh. We'll meet tomorrow.
She's in a temple? Come on, Sri, what is this?
All for your sake. I have come to a temple for you. Now will you please eat this?
What did you pray for me?
I pray that you have to get a very good job.
Just find out whether I have a vacancy in London. Why don't you give a request?
Always London, London.
Oh, my dear. Be romantic, Sri. Be romantic.
Will you please shut your mouth? We are in temple now. Show your hand.
Now, what's all this?
Your mind will be in control now. You will act very slowly and patiently. That idiotic foreign dream will get out of you.
I don't believe that, but I respect your feelings.
Do you even know what are my feelings?
Don't become emotional.
Yes, Rajesh. Do you remember where did we meet first? Passport office. You were standing in front of me in a queue. You looked at me and told you will even drop your foreign dream. Do you even remember that, Rajesh? But you never dropped your job. The minute I saw you, I too felt the same, you know. I thought you will drop your job. So I too dropped it, Rajesh. Tell me, am I not sincerely in love with you? I'm still a fool to talk in front of you. You? Why did you come? When did you come?
You look beautiful, even when you're angry.
Get lost. You must not come when I'm alone.
You're now alone at your house and wearing just a towel alone.
Mom will be back after shopping.
Some hot music is going on the channel now.
Hey Rajesh, what are you doing? My mom will come after shopping. Rajesh, what are you?
Yeah, uncle. I don't know how to thank you at all. I will never forget the help what you have done to me, uncle. I've received the ticket. I'm leaving tonight. Rahul has told me everything. I will take care, uncle. Okay, bye. Come, dear, come. Just sit down. How are you?
I want to talk to you immediately, Rajesh.
What's the matter?
I am pregnant now. Yes, Rajesh.
Sri, are you mad? What should we do now?
You have to tell me.
Come, let's go.
Where?
To the hospital.
Why?
Understand, Sri? What else to do?
You come and talk to my parents, Rajesh.
Have to catch my flight now.
Where are you leaving?
London.
London?
Yeah. Uncle has made all the arrangements. Just see her. The ticket, the passport.
So you're leaving me and going, Rajesh?
Even before I met you, I just had one ambition, going to London. Because that's my life, that's my love. I'm going to London to fulfill my dream, dear.
What are you talking? You love me? You made me pregnant and you're trying to escape, is it?
Trying to escape? And me? You very well know that I'm going to London, but still you behave with me closely. What's my mistake in this?
Then I've done a mistake, is it? You have not done anything?
Of course it's your mistake.
Yes. You have done nothing wrong. I have done everything.
Tell me, doctor. Please tell me.
Cool down, madam. Nothing will happen. Come to my cabin, we'll talk.
Auntie.
You are?
I'm Sri's friend, doctor.
Her husband didn't come? She had an abortion also.
What?
Mom, what happened here? Mom, I'm asking you something, right? Mom, what happened to Sri?
We have been ruined, my dear son. Auntie, please.
Tell me something. What's her name?
Shweta.
What is she doing now?
She's working in one of the IT companies in Taramani.
Nothing has happened to you. You're perfectly alright. You should be happy as always. Yes, as a brother, whatever I should have done, I've done it. That Rajesh who cheated you, I got him back here from London.
You made him come?
Yes, Shri.
The moment when Rajesh decided to leave me and go to London, that moment I have decided to die. Why did you save me unnecessarily? I have thrown Rajesh his love long time back.
Shri. Sorry, Shri. I've done a mistake. Please, forgive me. Please believe me, Shri. I was chasing my dreams. Actually, I really love you, Shri. Please forgive me, Shri. Please. I did a mistake, but how can you cheat my sister?
I knew something was fishy.
I could have got you back from London long time back. But whatever you've done to me has affected me, my family, my friends, everybody around me. I wanted you to know the pain that my sister has gone through, so I played this game with the help of my friends. But I never cheated on your sister. Even this day, do you even have a clue how much I love your sister, huh?
I love you so much, Shri.
Why is she cutting my call? Hello? Sweta, please don't cut my call. Try to understand what I'm saying. I understand your anger. Anybody would have done the same thing that you're doing. But at the same time, understand my situation too. I just wanted to get your brother here initially. But when I saw you for the first time, I fell in love with you. But without you, I'm nothing, Sweta. You were looking out for me because you were angry with me for that ad. You hit somebody else thinking that it's me, and then I was there for you. It kind of disturbed me a bit, Sweta. Let me tell you something, Sweta. From the bottom of my heart, I love you. I love you. I love you, Sweta.
It's not Sweta, it's Rahul. You're in love with her? Awesome! You two-timing rascal. This game of yours won't go on for too long, buddy.
Hey, what are you doing over there?
You know something? She's going to be my wife now.
Hey, don't play. I'll kill you for this.
Oh, really? What time?
Just give her the phone.
I won't give her the phone. You know something? We're getting married in 1 hour. Tonight will be our first night. We're going to London. You can't come over there. You know why? Because, my friend, you don't have a passport.
Hey, don't play around.
Okay then. See you.
Crazy.
Hello, Auntie. Go inside.
Okay, Rahul.
Hi, Sweta. Huh?
Mom, why would you bring me here?
Rahul is getting married without his parents' knowledge. Who else will help him other than us over here, tell me? We should look after all these things now. Just tell me one thing, why are you so dull since morning? It's an auspicious day now, so don't be like this. Go and freshen up now.
No way.
Listen to me, Shweta. Go. I think no one has arrived yet.
Hey Dinesh, if Sweta doesn't listen to me, then I'll have to forcefully tie a Mangal Sutra around her neck. I have to get married to her.
Why do you worry, buddy? I've told her everything and she's ready for it. So you don't worry about it. Look over there. Do you see? She's freshening up to get ready. Yeah, buddy. My word is a word and I shall stand by it for anything.
Hey, he's proved that he's my true friend. You both are good for nothing. Shah! Auntie, thank you so much. I was worried that you wouldn't say yes.
What is this, Karthik? You're one among us in the family. Whoever you decide to get married to, we support you.
Thanks, Auntie.
That's all okay. You say it's marriage. I don't see any arrangements being done. Not even a priest.
They're on their way, Auntie.
Please come in.
What
please
is
come
all
in.
this? It doesn't look like a marriage house. Marriage is there or not? I have lot of other commitments. I'm really busy today. So I'm leaving now.
Everything's ready, sir. Please
We are
come in.
waiting for you, sir. Please
Okay,
come.
that is good. Let me come.
Please come
Okay. It is already late. Please bring the groom and the bride. I have lot of other commitments today. I am really busy. What is this? You're coming here sitting alone? Where is the girl? I am really busy today.
You're very busy, right?
You're 100% right. What are you waiting for? Tie the bedlock. Come on, have this.
Play the music loudly.
Oh, I'm really sorry. I forgot. Come on, start the music.
Hey, what's happening here? How did you all come inside?
Hey, you shut up. How can we avoid our sister's marriage? Whatever it is you have got to us, no?
We have always blessed marriages. Only for money till now everywhere. But you have given life to our sister.
What? I gave her life?
Of course. You have married a girl from our community. You have a very big heart. From today onwards, you are a hero to all of us.
All of you look up to me?
This guy looks really beautiful. So handsome.
Hey, leave me! What's happening here? Hey Dinesh, what's all this?
Unlimited ideas don't only come to your network, it comes to other networks too. You were not even in my list. You were just a dummy piece loafing around Sweta. That's when I cornered you. And from then, I started playing you around. After knowing that I love Sweta, you were planning to marry her? Huh? Now this is your punishment. All this while you had shocking reactions, right? Now let me give you one more shocking news. Manisha is no one else but my sister's friend and Dinesh's girlfriend.
So he's your good friend and we have to learn from him, am I right?
Bullshit! Master plan, huh? I don't care about Sweta. She is nothing. For my personality, Sheila, Mala, Rita, Geeta, they'll stand in a queue to get married to me.
Who? Them?
Hey, move. What are you looking at? Let's get our groom ready for the next program.
What do you mean next program?
Don't you know that? It is our first night.
Sweta?
Your problems got solved, right? What else you want? Rahul told me so much about you, but I didn't believe him. I thought you love me seriously.
I still love you from all my heart, Sweta. Why don't you just listen to me?
Enough.
Sweta! Stop, Sweta! Please try to understand what I'm saying, Sweta!
Hereafter, don't try to meet me. This is the last time I'm seeing you. Goodbye. You?
Oh no!
Why did you do like this?
It hurt.
You will never
I was just
change, is
joking.
it?
I was just-
Huh?
I'm
What are you
sorry,
thinking
I'm
of
sorry.
me?
I was just
Won't
enjoying-
you leave
you
me
look
in
so
peace
beautiful.
at all?
I'm
You're
sorry.
such a torture.
Sweta, I'm sorry. Sweta,
See
no,
what I
I'm
do
sorry.
to you,
Sorry,
huh?
sorry, Sweta. Sweta, Sweta.
Hear me.
Sir.
Huh? You're Mukund, right?
Yes, sir.
What happened to you, buddy? What happened to your colorful shirt, your chains, your hair dye? Where's your earring that was lying around? What happened to you, buddy?
I've lost everything in the film industry, sir. Whenever I call them, they tell me to come to the bar, sir. I'm going back to my native place, sir. I'll find some job there.
1 second.
Hold on.
Huh?
$50. It's a torn note. I had it for bus fare. Keep this. I will take a walk.
1 second, buddy. Look over there.
Hey, is that me? I don't require this bag anymore.
Sir.
Anything you can contact my manager.
Hey, take this $50, man.
You can have this as my tips, dear.